right, part 2. Now we have the password in there. If we look at the screen, oh, can you go back so you can show Dad where you click on it? So we're going to click on the Pearson right there. Go ahead and click on that, and it takes us to the screen right here. Once he's in there, he is enrolled in 7th grade math right now, and then he could either click on this portion here or that one to wherever to get to the online textbook. We don't have a physical copy textbook right here, but in here, don't worry about what this says in the grades here, because in the end we grade through this thing called Home Access Center. This is where your homework was all located, so go ahead and click on that right there. The only thing I need you to work on that's due on Thursdays is 1-1. That's what we're assigned, okay? And that's what we'll be learning about today and tomorrow. So we're going to take 2 days on this lesson. So can you go back and go ahead and click on this right here, Pearson Realize. This is kind of the home page. This is where the online textbook is, where 7th grade is. I told you before, don't click on it there, Abdul. B and C are where the textbook is. Okay, so let's pretend like you're confused on what we're currently learning right now and Dad wants to go over it. Go ahead and click on Unit A because that's what we're on right now. And the homework, do you remember what number the homework was? 1-1? Yeah, that's right. So you click on 1, and then we'll notice that 1-1's topic is on, well, it said, man, you're clicking fast, on equivalent ratios. And when you click on equivalent ratios, you have all these examples. This is like a traditional textbook, introductions. Go ahead and click on part 1. Part 1 is kind of like the first type of example that we're going to be going over in class. It has some definitions in there. And if you ever have to kind of go through the answers, sometimes they'll have solution here. But go ahead and hit next here as it navigates through questions like this. So this is our first question that we have, and it does ask a question. The balls of the solid color to the balls of the striped color. Go ahead and click solution for me there, Abdul. And once the solution comes up, it has an explanation, right? As well as kind of what the answer is in regards to what they're looking at. So for example, they're looking for a ratio of solid to striped. So then it's 4-to-5 ratio. That's what ratios are kind of doing. It's kind of an introduction. So far, so good?
Yeah.
Okay, Abdul, go ahead and take me back to where the homework is. Remember where the homework, you can find the homework? On the homework, the kids technically have unlimited tries. And the most helpful feature is the online help feature. So yeah, let's go take a look at it. So when he opens the homework, it's not started here, so he's going to click on that. Go ahead, and it opens the homework. It has a little introduction start. Yeah, go ahead. When he's in the homework, he can navigate between each question by going through this. There's 15 questions, but let's pretend. Let's go to the next one. Yeah, he finishes one, the next one. Let's pretend like he has no idea what's going on. I'm not saying you don't know this problem. It's just rather, if you don't know, you have this option right here called question help. Question help, if you click on it, there's options. Don't click on anything yet. There's help me solve it and view an example. By viewing an example, go ahead and click on that for me. It kind of shows you one with an example, and it walks you through how to do the problems. You hit continue, and it kind of narrates what should happen with the problem. So that should help you out. Some of this is new vocabulary. It's the same, math is math, but how you explain math is sometimes different. Make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, after the question, go ahead and close that. Let's look at the other one. Close, and then click question help one more time. There's also help me solve this. Sometimes you just need help. Go ahead and click on that. You just need help on how to solve this. Now, instantly it will mark the problem wrong. That doesn't mean you can't get credit back. What it does is it walks you through how to solve the one you're looking at, and then when you're ready, it regenerates it with new numbers. So you have unlimited tries, and what score you get out of 15 is normally going to be the score out of 10 that I put out on your homework assignment. All right,
Yeah.
Abdul, any questions?
No.
Okay, sounds good.